Oh, yeah, baby. It's warm outside. Ooh, that might be too close to adjust this ball. Keep it at the customer height. They like that when they hook up to it.
Yeah. You went too far, dude.
It'll work out.
Promise.
I hope so. I'm the man. We're gonna hit the road and test drive a trailer.
How do you test drive a trailer?
Well, you make sure everything's operating. Let me get my driving glasses on.
Wow.
All right.
Over the hat.
Let's roll.
Ah, yeah.
What I like to do when I first start is oh yeah, feel that? Brakes are working.
What do you got that set at?
10. I gotta wear them in. I just put new axles in this thing.
New axles in the trailer?
Yep. So you gotta burnish the brakes, they call it.
How do you spell that?
Starts with a B, I'll tell you that. Brake check. Brake check. They're working good. I like that.
So, 2 new axles.
2 new axles.
Electric brakes on both axles.
Yeah.
So-
7,000 pound axles. Full axle assembly. Comes with leaf spring, backing plate, hubs, all new bearings. Bolt it in and hit the road, torque it to spec.
You do this every time you do something with axles or brakes. You do this little run up the interstate here.
Yep, anything with drivability, suspension, bearings, brakes. I even put airbags in the back of this truck. We do that. We do airbags. We do gooseneck hitches, fifth wheel hitches. Yeah, I like to set my cruise to 69.
In a 55?
In a 70.
Oh,
We'll just cruise at 69 with 3 guys in the truck.
yeah. Loaded down.
Well, got our equipment trailer with a piece of equipment on it. Not a heavy piece, but
What? It's equipment.
you know. Strapped down to spec.
Why did it need new axles?
They were a little bit tweaked. The guy uses it very lightly, but sometimes from the factory they could come a little tweaked, and it was all covered by warranty, so glad they stand behind their product.
Absolutely.
So, can anybody tell me what is the recommended maximum PSI on the tires on the trailer we are towing today?
Tell me what tires they are.
They are a 235, 85, 16, 10 ply.
How about 110?
80 PSI is correct.
80 PSI,
Yeah.
all right.
We put 110 in our 14 ply.
That's what I was thinking. Son of a biscuit. 80 PSI.
Can anybody tell me the torque spec we torque the lug nuts to? 1/2 inch stud.
Make it multiple choice.
A, 100 foot-pounds. B, 110 foot-pounds. C, 120 foot-pounds. Or D, all of the above.
School, I always put down C every time.
Yeah, that's kind of why I set it up like that.
Okay,
I
I'll
set
go.
you up for success.
I'll
'cause I
go
like
with
you.
C.
Very good, 120 foot-pounds on a 1/2 inch stud.
It's good to know.
Yep, 9/16 studs, we do about 140.
Okay. How's that trailer towing right now?
Towing pretty straight. A little rough riding, but you know, you get a load on it, like an actual load, she'll smooth out.
Like a skid steer or something?
Yep, nice skidder. She'd be just like floating in a Cadillac.
Where are we going?
We're gonna cruise up to the Endeavor exit. It's about a 15-minute drive. That should get our hubs up to temperature.
Do you check them right there, or when you get back?
Normally I like to check them there just in case I have a problem so I don't do any damage on the way back.
Sure.
If I did have damage, I'd sit there, let them cool down. I got a back road over here that runs parallel to the interstate. I can take that so I'm not running such a high speed.
You got it all figured out.
Oh yeah, I've done this a couple years now, you know. I don't want to call myself a professional, but I like when others do.
Yeah.
Yeah,
You're almost there.
you betcha.
I think you get that pizza oven figured out and professional.
I know it. I love looking at all the nature on my way.
Yeah, saying there's usually some good deer walking around here.
Oh yeah.
Not today.
No. Not
A little early.
today. Yeah.
Get out about 3, 4 o'clock. They'll be out there.
I know. I prefer my early morning runs or my late afternoons. Now I'm just burning time before lunch.
Country roads, take me home.
Back to where I was born.
That might be a different song.
What do you guys think Fryman's up to?
Hopefully selling stuff.
Yeah. I like that. You guys are really cramping my style. I like to jam when I'm here, you know?
Is this your playlist?
Alright, I'm going to be exiting the interstate. I'm going to use my trailer brakes. Whew. These are really good brakes.
You think so?
I'm down to 2 and it's still slowing the truck down. I like that a lot.
They're working nice, huh?
You bet.
When
I
you-
haven't pushed the brake pedal yet.
When you checking the temp?
When I get over here, I'll go this way. I like to pull over
Watch
right
out
here.
for the big pothole.
I know.
there.
I'm going around it.
Jeez Louise. Oh,
Got
God.
that one. They make these nice little spots for you to stop and check your bearings. Yeah, our load stayed. Lights are working. 67. 72. 73. 74. That's going to make for a happy customer. As long as you don't got any very high numbers, if they're all fairly similar, you ain't got a problem. But if you got one that's 50 degrees warmer than the rest, then you're going to want to come see me. Yeah, this was a very successful test drive so far, Denver.
I agree.
You got good bearing temp, you got very excellent braking.
All right, I got some trivia for you, Nate.
Okay,
Wisconsin trivia.
all right.
Tell me the land area of the state of Wisconsin. How many acres?
Is Wisconsin?
Yep.
I'd have to go with 1 billion.
A little bit less.
I'd have to go with 1 million.
34.8 million acres.
That's almost as much as Dutton Yellowstone Ranch, I believe.
Oh, yeah?
Yeah,
You like that show, huh?
I do. You're
Which
welcome.
city in Wisconsin is the bratwurst capital of the world?
I feel like it's Madison because they had Bratfest.
Come on. Think about it.
Green Bay.
No. What kind of brats do you see a lot of?
Johnsonville.
Okay, and where are they from?
Johnsonville.
Watch out.
Let's move over. Give this state patrol a little room here.
Cherries and berries. Sheboygan.
Sheboygan. Sorry about that.
Nice try.
0 for 2.
How long do you think the state is? How many miles?
Holy heck. Like north to south or west to east?
Long. North to south. Not wide.
Okay. I'm going to go with 400 miles.
Close. 320.
God, I was close.
How wide do you think it is?
I'm going to go with 200.
295.
Yeah, it was close. Well, that's kind of a trick question because it gets wider depending on where you're measuring.
I would assume they're measuring from the longest and widest point.
All right, well, I did not assume that.
What's the largest inland lake in Wisconsin?
I think Winnebago.
Oh, he nailed it! This guy's on a roll.
Yeah.
Largest city?
I think Milwaukee, but I'm not for sure.
Yep, nailed it. Last but not least, the first ice cream sundae was made in Wisconsin in 1881. What city?
Watertown.
Two rivers. Close. Water, rivers.
Yeah, I was on the right track.
Yeah.
What do I win?
You get to stay in the state.
Cool.
Keep your Wisconsin citizenship.
I like it. I'm going to pull up here. I'm going to recheck our torque. Send it home.